new mom, 6 months postpartum, and I choose to be kind to myself today.
Place and time, yours and mine, connection.
Diwata ako ng garden.
Nag-iisip, di ba? Yan. Kunwari pagod na.
Every ray of sunshine is smiling.
Kasi naging mag-asawa na kami, kaya
Na-open up niya, na-unlock niya yung listening side ko. Dati, I'm more of a talker. Tapos ngayon, listener na ako kasi siya yung madaldal eh.
Get us, and now we shine.
so yun, Asia's next top model. Bye.
Meant to be.
Bakit siya? Kasi, why not?
Meant to be. Meant to be.
Isang tumbling naman dyan!
Every ray of sunshine is smiling down on me. And every bend in the road.
Social message, keep up the good work.
Every ray of sunshine is smiling down on me. And every bend in the road is a paradise to see. 'Cause it's meant to be. Meant to be. 'Cause it's meant to be.
Nagkakilala kami ni Chino through Areto kasi yung mutual friend namin, sinetap kaming dalawa. Tapos yung sinetap kaming dalawa, ayun na, parang boom! Everything went smoothly. Tapos, ayun, iba kasi talaga yung tama niya sa akin. Charot!
So far, okay naman. Settled na naman lahat. So, in good spirits. Yun lang. Tapos yung question.
Give me one more reason why I should stay. 'Cause you got 2 minutes to explain. You better come.
Taray mo, parang gumanon bigla sa camera.
Binyag niya pala, binyag niya. Excited sa binyag.
And what we have is gone without a trace. Give me one more reason.
Kaya nagpiloton lang ako, hindi na lang ako nag-artista eh. Ayoko yung mga ganito eh.
2 minutes to explain.
Yun! As long as you love me.
Something smart to say.
Gustuhan kaya ako ni Chino kung hindi ko
Already on my way.
Message nyo doon. Pero buti kinamusta nyo talaga ako ng personal na yun. Yun lang. Na-appreciate ko yun. Thank you.
Oh my God! May artistang dumating. Let's find out who is... Noy! Nilagpasan mo ko. Guys, tandaan ninyo, ang asawa ko, ipagpapalit niya ako sa pagtain niya. So,
Ito yung moment natin na nag-iisa tayo. Solemn yung moment ng pagtatae. Pero kaya natin i-share sa kanila yung pagtatae natin.
yun lang talaga karibal ko sa buhay niya. Nandun siya. Sa letter K niya. Hindi kabet, but kubeta.
Stop wasting my youth. I won't carry no shame.
Ang dapat tanong nyo is bakit niya ako kailangan.
So, ang asawa ng isang piloto, di ba, ay lagi nag-aabang sa kanyang asawa para magbigay ng dato. Tsaka!
Marami akong pangangailangan din. At nabuo niya yung pangangailangan kong yun.
Come up with something smart to say. 'Cause I'm already.
Wish ko lang para sa inyo lagi. At ang prayers ko ay good health at maraming pera.
Something smart to say. 'Cause I'm already on my way.
Hoy, sis, ang gaganda ninyo! Girls, it's me. I'm the problem.
Baby, Give me one reason to stay, or I'm on my way.
Congratulations again very much. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Hello, hello. Hoy, thank you for coming. Ay, napakaganda mo, ma'am. Hello po. Gusto ko, sir, yung drone ko, yung ako yung magkunari gagano, tapos bigla na lang. Charot.
You, together and united, you are the first image of God for Enzo, as all parents are. Amen.
You stole the light from the stars above and brought it here tonight.
Gina, have a good life and a blessed one.
2 years being married, thank you for making it so smooth and less turbulent sa words coming from a pilot.
So Jessie, remember that a wife is a mother whose tender love cares for the entire family, from Daddy Chino to Baby Enzo.
Congratulations sa inyo. Sana magmahalan kayong dalawa hanggang sa dulo. At syempre, congratulations din para sa inyong baby na si Baby Enzo. Congrats, friends!
More blessings and more babies. Oh, congratulations.
Congrats.
Jessie, did you come here of your own free will? Continue binding yourself in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Yes, yes.
And I'm falling for you. I wanna love you.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians Enzo and the possible other children whom God will give you? And remember, Chino, a man, when he marries, will have a father-in-law, a mother-in-law, a sister-in-law, a brother-in-law. But always remember, your wife is the law.
Through the darkest days, through the seasons change, I wanna love you.
Maraming salamat sa iyong pagmamahal, affection, care, support, and everything that you give to our family. Akala mo lang hindi ko na-appreciate, pero na-appreciate ko lahat ng binibigay mo sa amin. And I'll be your best friend forever, and you can share anything with me, especially your money.
And I'm falling